Hello guys, मैं हूँ विहान and this is one of my most dream come true moments. I always wanted to make a YouTube channel for like where I can talk about sports. मैं अपनी sports के बारे में सारी बकवास कर सकता हूँ जो मैं पूरा दिन करता हूँ. क्या क्या sports? Football, tennis, cricket, Formula One. I mean, I watch so many sports or I wanted a platform where I can do this. Now finally I have the confidence to do it and I will be doing it. And this video is particularly about the Premier League end of the season predictions. Talking about Premier League, I think बहुत चीज़ें हैं उसके बारे में बात करने के लिए. Relegation battle, title battle, Champions League spots. I mean, there's a lot to talk about it. एक वीडियो में तो आई थिंक कंप्लीट होगा नहीं. मैं अपने बारे में कुछ बताऊँ तो आई एम अ रियल मैड्रिड फ़ैन. आई इवन सपोर्ट टॉटनम बिकॉज माई पर्सनल फेवरेट प्लेयर इज़ हैरी केन एंड बिकॉज ऑफ हिम आई यूज्ड टू वॉच टॉटनम प्ले. Currently he's playing at Bayern Munich and I'm definitely rooting for them to win the Champions League. Now I think let's get straight into the video. Going for the 20th place, I think Wolves have been on 20th place for like a while now. लेकिन मेरे हिसाब से Burnley will finish 20th because I just don't see the fight in Burnley anymore. Wolves will finish 19th. Now the question rises, Tottenham या West Ham? Personally, I am biased towards Tottenham. I yet think कि वो थोड़े कुछ ना कुछ जुगाड़ करके बच जाएंगे. But the amount of injuries that are piling up, it's not a good sign. And yet I'll go for Tottenham to just get saved and West Ham to get relegated. West Ham will finish 17th. 18th, Tottenham will finish 17th. Now Leeds या Nottingham. I think Nottingham is playing good football. They can even get ahead of Leeds and Newcastle. But for now, I think Leeds to finish 16th is a very smart option to go with. Nottingham to finish 15th and Newcastle to finish 14th. Looking at 13th, this part of the table I think is the most like congested part. Like there is a 4-point ka difference from 13th to 7th place. I'd say Crystal Palace to finish 13th personally मेरे हिसाब से. लेकिन एक सेकंड गाइस, मेरे को टेबल चेक करनी पड़ेगी वापस. So Newcastle to finish 14th. Now Crystal Palace and Sunderland में I'd personally back Crystal Palace to go ahead of Sunderland because Sunderland का just record I don't think इतना अच्छा है. Crystal Palace will overtake them. Fulham, Everton, Chelsea, Brentford. Now this is where it gets interesting. Fulham plays good football. Everton is a moody team. अच्छा खेलती है कभी कभी, कभी अच्छा नहीं खेलती. Chelsea, I think they shouldn't have sacked Maresca yet. But I'd say Brentford will go ahead of Chelsea, but I'll yet back Fulham to finish ahead of Everton, Chelsea to finish behind Brentford. Man City को एक सेकंड ऊपर डाल देता हूँ. So 13th place Sunderland, 12th place Crystal Palace, 11th place Everton, 10th is Fulham, 9th is Chelsea and 8th is Brentford. Now 7th position is between Brighton and Bournemouth. Bournemouth is playing good football. They are, I think, undefeated in a few games now. I'd back Bournemouth to finish ahead of Brighton. Brighton will finish 7th. Bournemouth will finish 6th. Now Aston Villa or Liverpool, because the top 3 are not going to change. I think Aston Villa just ahead of Liverpool. Could be either or, but I'd back Aston Villa to finish ahead of Liverpool. So Liverpool finish 5th, Aston Villa finish 4th, Man United finish 3rd. Now the thing, who finishes on 2nd and 1st? Personally, अगर तुम मेरे को पूछोगे कि अगर मेरे को चाहिए कि आर्सेनल 2nd फिनिश करे, प्लीज़ I would love Arsenal finishing second because we're Tottenham biased. So, looking at what Arsenal is doing, they definitely have a good chance. They definitely have a very strong chance of winning the Premier League because they play before City. अभी City के अगले गेम के पहले Arsenal एक मैच खेलेगी, and if they get a win over there, the gap opens up to 6 points, and pressure will be back at Man City. लेकिन नॉट गेटिंग इनटू दैट, अगर पर्सनली अपन देखें तो आई थिंक बोथ द टीम्स आर इक्वली गुड. गोल डिफरेंस पे भी जा सकता है ये वाला सीज़न, लेकिन मैन यूनाइटेड फिनिशिंग थर्ड, वी डोंट नीड टॉक अबाउट दैट. माइकल कैरिक आउटस्टैंडिंग जॉब, एंड पर्सनली मैन यूनाइटेड is one of my favorite teams. Like, I love watching them play. Bruno Fernandes, beauty. Now talking about the upcoming fixtures, I'll just look at Arsenal's upcoming fixtures. About Fulham, I think Arsenal will get a win. It will be a scrappy win again, 1-0 or a 2-1 win. If Fulham score first, it will be an Arsenal comeback. They will definitely win. But if Arsenal score first, the game will be open. Fulham can get a goal late on, but Arsenal should get a win over there. Champions League, I'm not going to talk about that right now. West Ham, I think this game is going to be one of the biggest games for both of the teams in this season. Arsenal want to win the title. They will go all in for every win, but West Ham will also go all in because West Ham want to save themselves from relegation. और मैं ये पर्सनली इसके लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं इस मैच के अंदर किसी को सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा. अ ड्रॉ विल बी समथिंग दैट आई विल बी हैप्पी विद, बट आई थिंक द गेम विल एंड ड्रॉ, आइदर अ 2-2 ड्रॉ और अ 0-0 ड्रॉ. नथिंग मोर देन दैट, नथिंग लेस देन दैट. If Arsenal get a win, well and good. If Arsenal lose, well and good. But personally, as a neutral fan, I think it's a draw. Arsenal winning against Burnley 3-0, no doubt about that. Crystal Palace, Arsenal, Glasner's last game at Crystal Palace, I think Arsenal will win that. So I predict Arsenal to get 10 points from their last 12 available. Now talking about Man City's last 15 points, how many will they get? Everton, I think it will be a good win for Man City, either a 1-0 win or a 2-1 win. Man City versus Brentford, I think Man City will win. Man City against Crystal Palace, again I think Man City should win. Man City Bournemouth, I'm going to predict a draw because Bournemouth is playing lovely football, and I think the game will end as a 1-1 draw, and Man City will defeat Aston Villa. The game will go down to goal difference. I mean, the championship will go down to the goal difference part, and I will back Man City to win. Not because I am biased, but they have that big game mentality which Arsenal surely lacks, because looking at the previous season, it's somewhere like it's been a consistently that is happening to Arsenal. Like, they don't have something, they do want to win, but they do overdo it sometimes, and that's where they cost themselves. This is my Premier League predictions, and will I be happy with this Premier League prediction that I made? Yes, because I think a few of them are going to happen. Man United will finish third, no doubt about it. Tottenham might get relegated, but that's where my bias has come in. That's the only point where my bias has come in. But there's also a part if the game Arsenal that they play on this weekend before Man City's next game, which is against Fulham, if they do not win that game, will this be the turning point of the season? I'd say yes. If Arsenal don't get a win on the weekend, Man City is winning the league 1010%, no doubts about it, no questions asked, because then it is all played into Man City's hands. You've bottled that match, there's no way you come back from it. But personally, Arsenal will win that game, according to me. Now the question also is, will Arteta stay for the next season? If Arsenal do win the Premier League, no doubts about that, Arteta will stay. About the Champions League, if he wins, I think Arsenal fans will be unbearable, and he will become the greatest manager in the world, according to the Arsenal fans. But I'd say I won't take that happiness away from them, because it's all to play for the Champions League and the Premier League. The season's not over for them. Yes, they got knocked out in the FA Cup by Southampton, and Carabao Cup, they lost to Man City. But I think past is past, and if you look into it, will Chelsea be happy with the season? I'm looking at the big clubs. I'd say no, not at all, because I don't see a direction in which Chelsea is going. Neither do I see it for Tottenham. I think Tottenham also is not going anywhere. Next season also they won't finish in the top 10 if they go this way. If they stay in the Premier League, obviously. But these are my final predictions for the season, and I hope you all understand what I said, क्योंकि मैं कभी कभी बहुत ज़्यादा बायस हो जाता हूँ, लेकिन I've tried, because if Arsenal win the league, I think their fans deserve it. They have seen 3 seasons that the league has come into their hands, but they've ended up giving it away. So I'll be happy for their fans. Yes, they'll be unbearable, and that will make me annoyed as well. But it's all to play for. It's football, and I think the season's going to be a crazy end to the season. I'm predicting a very, very chaotic end to the season. And that's it. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. And do please subscribe and let me know what other videos should I make. I tried about even talking about some different players. I wanted to talk about them. I don't only want to make videos on football. I even want to try other sports. You all do recommend it to me in the comment section. Thank you.